Good morning. I am going to feed the chickies. We have salmon, broccoli, a little bit of egg, and a little bit of veggies, and their favorite part of the salmon, the skin. You ready, ladies? Yeah? You ready? Okay, see if they move around with the plate. Okay, I'm going to leave it on the plate. Is that yummy? Okay. Well, it looks like salmon is a winner. Yeah, Rose likes the broccoli. Flora over there stole some salmon. It looks like Mary likes the eggs. I thought the skin would be the favorite, but they're saving best for last? What do you think, Flora? No? Boy, that plate's almost clean. Okay. Have at it. You got that skin. You're welcome. That's a good girl.